Hey, it's Cara Riley, and we're here at the Heritage Todd Creek with some fabulous friends who are going to help us with the Transition Living Real Estate team. And we're going to have a presentation. We're starting with Steel Rhino Property Inspections. We've got DJ and Patrick. What do you have to say in a tiny nutshell about what you're going to share with us today?
Good morning, everybody. We'd like to share that it's real important to get a home inspection on a home if you're purchasing anything. We want to be able to find the problems that most people can't see with a house, and we are doing this every day. This is what we do for a living. We want to protect you, and that's what we're doing here.
That's great. And there's a couple different things we're going to be covering: roofing, and you said drainage, right?
Yes, so we were talking about drainage is probably the biggest problem that we see on it. And of course the roof is one of the biggest sources of water that we get, not just around the house, but from the roof that drains through the gutters and then to the foundation. So we do want to cover that. And Chuck is here to kind of help us through some of those ideas of how to protect the roof and then where to put that water once it comes down off the roof. So.
Oh, how cool. It really is a team. And we've got Chuck Jackson here. Chuck, tell us about your company and what you do to help homeowners with roofing.
I'm with a company called Eco Roof and Solar. We've been in business since 2007, President's Club member as well as Master Elite, which puts us in the upper 2% of all roofing companies in the country. I will be talking a lot about the ventilation on a house, as well as the insulation, which is an integral part of the actual roofing, because having the proper ventilation will actually help prolong the life of the roof.
Oh.
Also, we'll be going over hail damage, what to look for, as well as total roofing systems when you do need a new roof.
Excellent, thanks Chuck. And then we're here with Deb Hessling from Affordable American Insurance. Deb, tell us how insurance is impacted with all this roof stuff and inspections.
Well, you want to make sure that you have the right policy on your homeowners insurance, because cheaper isn't always better. You want to make sure that your coverage is actually going to do its job when you need it. And most people do not understand how the coverage really works. So I actually will sit down with people, explain to them, look at their current policy and explain to them how their policy is really written to make sure they're protected properly and there's no holes in their coverage, so that if anything happens, they actually are covered.
Oh, that's excellent. And I think the other more important thing too is when you're purchasing, man, that roof comes into effect in the pricing of your insurance.
It definitely does.
So
an old roof means a high price policy.
All right, so these are things, and I'm so glad we have this wonderful team here with the Transition Living Real Estate team, and we're going to start up and we'll see you soon.